Hey everybody, welcome back to BobkeTV. It's the mountain bike build that marches on ever so slowly, and I'm very pleased to say I have finally, at long last, procured the fork. Part of the holdup was that I started shopping around for forks and I had some sticker shock, I'll be honest. I couldn't believe how expensive they had become since I bought one many years ago. But be that as it may, I have found one. It's by Fox. It's the 32 Factory SC Float Fit 4 dampener. It's got a lot of delightful attributes, but 800 bones. The thing is, though, with mountain bike forks is the technology is so advanced these days that once I got my mind wrapped around what you get for your money, pretty stoked, pretty satisfied, and I'm sure this is going to be a flying fork by Fox. 100 millimeters of travel, if I'm not mistaken. It does fit the front hub. That's good. Actually, I was pretty pleased when this matched up to my front hub. Through axle, obviously, and that'll line up perfectly with the Shimano hubs that I got. Kashima coating on the stanchions here. Or are these the tubes? Or is the whole thing, you guys tell me. Molybdenum disulfide is what the coating over the alloy, that I'm not sure if it's exclusive to Fox, but it's made by a Japanese company called Miyake, I think. And it's supposed to allow for tremendous durability and excellent functioning of the front suspension fork. Very handy unit. 3 settings, I'm told, on the fork crown here for the damping: mild, medium, and firm. So I'm going to be thoroughly testing this out on the trails and find out which one is best. Fully adjustable, tapered head tube that will fit perfectly in the frame. I tried that already also, so so now the next step is to get it mounted on the breezer, get the headset put together, measure my position. And I have a feeling that with the 29er wheels, that's going to be a little bit different than it was when I was racing. So, Float 32 Factory Fox 100, 110 by 15. There's so many variables nowadays. Everything has to line up for it to work. I'm presuming at the right adapters to mount the disc brakes. But I'm sure that that's pretty standard at this point. All sorts of, I'm noticing, things to adjust and set up. And believe me, I'm going to get professional help to do all of that. And should be flying with this fork. If you hear screams from the forest, see my body go cartwheeling through the air, it's not because of the fork. It's because of my exuberance and lack of technical abilities. Alright, everybody, thanks a lot for watching BobkeTV, and can't wait to do some trails. The beat marches on to the mountain bike build. Next, the parts. Shifters, crankset, have the pedals. XTR, by the way, I don't think we need a full review of that. Brakes, obviously, derailleurs, cages, and I think the chain cassette, that will probably do it. All right, everybody, until next time, happy trails.